In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share your prototype effectively using Adobe XD. This guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish, making sure you can gather insightful feedback from your stakeholders with ease. First, let's dive into building your prototype. After you've put your creative ideas together in Adobe XD and are satisfied with the design and functionality, it's time to share your hard work with others. To do this, head over to the Share tab within XD. This section is specifically designed to streamline the process of sharing your prototype with others for review. Once you're in the Share tab, your next step is to create a link. Look for an option labeled Create Link and click on it. Here, you have some important choices to make. You'll see different view settings such as design review or user testing. Choose the setting that best suits the purpose of your feedback, whether it's to get precise design input or to understand how users interact with your product. Another crucial aspect of sharing your prototype is setting the link access level. This determines who can view your prototype. You might want everyone with the link to have access, or you may decide to limit it to only those you invite. Choose the option that fits your sharing needs. It's also important to ensure that the share settings enable the Allow Comments feature. This is pivotal as it allows your reviewers to give feedback directly on the prototype. They can share their thoughts on the whole artboard or even pin specific comments to particular elements, making their feedback more precise and helpful. After you've configured these settings, it's time to send out the link to your stakeholders or reviewers. The link allows them to open your prototype directly in their web browser, and conveniently, they don't need to have an Adobe account. They can even visit it as guests. Once your stakeholders have access, they can engage with the prototype, and importantly, they can click on the comment icon or panel. This feature gives them the ability to provide context-aware feedback. They can add comments overall or use the pin feature for detailed feedback on specific sections of the artboard. This is incredibly useful for addressing design elements in detail. As the designer or owner, you have complete control over the comment management. You can view all the feedback that comes in and respond directly through replies. If particular issues get resolved, you can mark those comments as resolved. You also have the power to delete any comment if necessary. Additionally, Adobe XD provides a filtering feature that allows you to organize comments effectively, either by the reviewer, the date, or the status of those comments. By following these steps, you can leverage Adobe XD's powerful sharing capabilities to gather valuable feedback, enhance collaboration, and ultimately refine your design for optimal user experience.